Well, good morning. Got everything moved over to this other one. I got Mr. Caleb coming today, so you get to see him. We got this door yesterday finished up. So this is all looking good. We got this staged, right? But the sand is crazy. I guess I was talking to the customer, and this happens overnight. All this sand, man, it's really, really gnarly. You know, it gets on everything. I mean, this is just from yesterday. Cookie was sitting on this, and just overnight it swirls in here. So, whoo, man, it's gnarly. But like I said, it's a big sand pile. I wanted to show you these. I didn't realize they came in bigger. I got the hooks on the side there. Hook on the side there. I didn't even know they had those in the bigger styles. I've always seen them on the residential. Anyways, I'm gonna get this put together, throw a strut on it. Like I said, still just a little bit early. Caleb's showing up still around 9. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Getting stuff just set up, staged. So we'll get started. A couple things to note here. These hinges, or not hinges, I'm sorry, the strut, man, really thin gauge. It's fine. I mean, it's nice for the installer. It's nice and light gauge. Something for you guys maybe out there starting out. I struggled with this over the years. I don't like putting them over the hinges, but you pretty much have to. This is your strength, right? So some manufacturers, there's not a continuous strip through here. Safeway seems to do it because you can see the bump in here, right? This is just a foam. And so like Wayne Dalton, I know, like there's just another sheet of metal back here in this area. So this is your only strength area where these divots are. There's another sheet of metal back here. Sometimes manufacturers will do a continuous strip, but that costs extra. So what I'm getting at is I'm basically gonna put the strut right over this guy, right over these hinges. So that'll be the strongest point. It'll give it strength. Plenty of meat there, right? But it's just something to think about, that if you think, I'm just going to throw it in the middle, well, you got to be careful because you can put holes in here and you realize when you're punching through it, you're not hitting nothing. So when you're in and out, you just put it over the hinges and you're good to go. So here's another view, right? So the hole down here matched up. It's nice. The strut actually lines up on this one. Sometimes they don't, but you can see there's a hole right there for that to nail into. So I'm catching this bottom one. I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to put one in here. It might be a self-tapper, might be a pointy. Just depends on how it burns through. And are we going to get lucky? Ooh, it's close. It's close. Perfect. And they can drive past and everything. So before I forget, people have been asking, have you finished your weather seal?
Yeah, I just put that up yesterday.
What about the angle? Did you get the angle?
Yeah, put that up. That would have been last week before they got the screws for the weather seal.
Sweet. So do you have to leave the bolts in, or?
Yeah, I did. I had to cut around the back side.
Oh my gosh! And so what do we learn? Prep, right?
Yeah. They bought the
fur it out. Prep.
Of weather seal that I needed.
Oh.
So with me cutting the backside with my multi tool for around 40 bolts, I'm bound to mess up at least one. So I went right through the face of one of them.
Right.
Still put it on until you could get it heated.
Right.
I'm probably gonna have to go back and replace that.
Dang, man.
So, probably lost money on that job.
I know the feeling. Chugging along, got the laser, measuring the track, right, hook the top, measure down, so our track's nice and level out this door, make sure this is doing good. Getting our struts. Caleb's working on this. He went to grab his knife. Doing good, table, keep stuff elevated. Rock on. Alright, I think I got enough tools. I'm going to make sure I got the right sockets. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, you say so. It's about kind of, it's about right-ish. That'll work. That'll work. Okay. That's what I was doing yesterday. That's how it always goes. Yeah. So let's go. Yes, it's scratched from my body. Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Save the day. Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Now we'll do the next one. And you look like you're sitting pretty decent, right? That's it. That's it. That's it. Are you touching this one? Probably dirty bags.
Nothing to see here, please.
Top panel. These are pointers?
No, these are self.
Oh, yeah, self-tappers. That's not them. My bad.
Now, just do the thing you do to relax.
All right. What's gonna happen here? There. Turn around. Get hands over there. Is that yours? Okay.
Oh, I see. Yep.